Hi, I'm Bianca, and today I want to show you how to make a quick and easy spicy cauliflower soup. This is from our Cooking For Me and You book and chip, and it only takes 16 minutes to get it on the table. So let's get cooking. Now we're going to pop all our ingredients into our mixing bowl. So we've got our cauliflower that has been cut into florets. We've got our curry powder, which is 2 teaspoons, and has been made from scratch in our Thermomix. We've got some raw cashews, and these are a great dairy-free alternative and gives a nice creamy texture to the soup. We've got some vegetable stock, which has also been made from scratch in the Thermomix. And finally, we've got some water. So we're going to pop our lid on, and we're going to cook that for 15 minutes, 100 degrees, speed 1. Great. Now that has finished cooking, all we need to do is blend that for 1 minute to get that beautiful creamy texture. Now when blending your soups or any recipes, make sure your ingredients don't go over the maximum capacity line, which is actually inside the bowl and marked in there. Also, the MC's been designed to let steam out when cooking and blending, so make sure you're not holding it down or putting anything over it. So I'm going to blend this soup now, and we're going to gradually increase it from speed 4 to 9, and which is important to do when you're pureeing any type of recipe. Great, so our soup is all ready and pureed and beautiful creamy texture. Now, when pureeing, let your food inside settle for a moment and just open the lid away from you. Now, you can serve this soup straight away, and you can garnish it with some coriander, some extra curry powder. I'm going to pop it into a thermos today, and this is great if you want to take it to lunch for work or for the kids to take to school and keep it nice and warm. Enjoy.